I'm Aisha. Back in Year 7, I was a member of the Quiet team. It saved me from disappearing in school.
I'm Jem. I was really quiet too. We just wanted somewhere to go at lunchtimes where it wasn't noisy and scary.
Hey, I'm Dan. I started the Breaks and Beats team because music and breakdancing is what I love.
My name's Josh. I find exams impossible because I'm dyslexic, so I set up the Good Food team.
Before I used to feel like I didn't count in school. It was like everything gets done to you, so why bother? But then we started Learn to Lead.
With Learn to Lead, you can set up your own team about something you think would be fun or anything you really care about. For me and Jem, we started something that we needed. It all began by doing this online survey about what we thought of our school.
I'd never thought of it as our school before.
Next, we came off timetable to look at the results together in our tutor groups in a planning session called This is Our School. It was really exciting because we started to think it really was our school.
And that was when me and Aisha decided we need a quiet place. So we set up a quiet team for people like us.
We couldn't believe it when other people wanted to join, even from different years. Our Link teacher gave us this training about how the teams work. You see that no one is more or less important than anyone else, and it's our team.
We worked on a sticky wall with hexes. It helped us see our ideas grow and come together. Then we fundraised to buy fencing, trees, flowers and benches, and we made a paradise.
Me and my mates ran dance and music classes at lunchtimes. And we won quite a few competitions.
With the food team, I got to reorganise the canteen and get better food in.
Along with ours, loads of people started teams doing what they wanted to do.
With Learn to Lead, school became a better place to be. It felt like our own community. And since we left, new students run our teams and made new ones. Waitrose thought what I had done in school with the food team was fantastic. And now I'm a trainee manager.
I used to skip school until I started the Breaks and Beats team. Now I run my own dance company.
I managed the A-stars I was working for, and now I'm at uni studying architecture. But it was being able to write in my personal statement about what I did with Learn to Lead that showed my range of skills.
And me, I've set up a garden care company as a social enterprise, employing people like me who want to make a difference.